Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. It's right week 5, almost halfway through the course. A lot of cool things, and we're actually going to start using Premiere Pro in a lot of real detail. So yeah, this week we're going to be really getting into the first 30 seconds of your video. Now that we have like the audio and the length of the video and what we got with the end cards and the title cards, now we get to fill in the middle aspects, and we're going to start with the first 30 seconds of the clips that we're going to be focusing on this week. And we're going to really utilize Premiere. So I figured we'd start with introducing Premiere. That's correct. We're going to be using Premiere for everything. So yeah, Premiere Pro is going to be the software we're going to be utilizing. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. Other than that, yeah, it's going to be good. And Adobe Premiere Pro has some awesome features. I know you've used it for classes before, but if you haven't, it's going to be a really great program to use. I use it for a lot of good stuff, even for my own presentations. So one thing is import footage from any file format. Also edit and trim footage with precision. You also want to add animation and video effects as well. The Premiere Pro does a really great job with adding animation and video effects. It does a great job with editing and trimming footage with precision, and it imports footage from any file format. I think it's a great thing, like any file format. It can do anything with that, so that's awesome. It can also edit audio and sound effects, and it's do a lot more with After Effects and Adobe stock images. I think they also have a lot of licensing with a lot of those images, so it really helps out with that. So yeah, Premiere Pro does a good job with that. So it's a great program. Not only that, there's just some slight challenges too. That's really honestly, there's not very many. If there are, it's very for only specific elements. For example, like if you use Photoshop with Premiere, you might experience some memory leaks, and unless you're like a programmer or a really high in-depth technical artist, you're really not going to really notice that. Another aspect about that is QuickTime exports. Sometimes QuickTime exports can be a little bit of a problem. They tend to be buggy and not as crisp sometimes, but that's a rare moment and it's a rare bug. Also, if you tend to use like the title crawl animation, it tends to move backwards on initial load sometimes. And that's pretty much it. Those are really the big three you tend to see a lot. Other than that, it's a really solid system. I think the multiple file formats really help out. That's something to really keep in mind. So yeah, so one of the things I recommend is check out the Get the Back to Basics tutorials. They can really help you out with that. I think the files are located within our course project files. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So keep in mind, we still have our lecture at 8 o'clock Eastern, 7 o'clock Central. We're going to be getting into the first 30 seconds of your clips and of your demo reel, so that way we can get into what to show for that. It's a really good lecture. Other than that, we do have a discussion this week, so keep in mind, initial post due on Tuesday, reply post Saturday, and then we have our live lecture assignments. And regular assignments due on Sunday as usual. Other than that, see everybody at lecture. Enjoy, be safe, have fun. See y'all. Bye-bye.